County governments have been urged to reduce or waiver taxes and administrative fees on SMEs to aid businesses stay afloat as they face uncertainty in the wake of the COVID-19. The Kenya National Chamber of Commerce Industry is now pushing for county governments to defer payments of land rates for the next 90 days and is urging the national government to establish a business resilience fund to cushion businesses against financial shock. The Chamber of Commerce wants the government to ease the process of importing manufacturing inputs.
The government, the private sector, development partners, if we can join hands and come up with a mechanism or a kitty that can be able to support this sector, not everyone, this sector, so that on a daily basis they can be able to be supported. Because these people come out from their homes every day to go and look for daily wages, which sometimes is 300 to 1,000 shillings. So if there is a way we can find to make sure that they stay at home, then that would really work.
The Jua sector artisans congregate in the various associations, and they congregate in thousands and thousands. We would really require clean flowing water to mitigate on the cleanliness and hygiene as we are talking. We will be talking about the support in terms of sanitizers in the MSC cluster areas across the country, supply of masks, supply of gloves, suspension of interest rates,